For generations, Nigeria's story has been a paradox. A top oil producer unable to refine its own oil. Nigeria exported crude and imported expensive refined products, enduring endless queues, shortages, and crippling prices. This broken cycle undermined the Nigerian economy and eroded national pride amongst its citizens. In comes Dangote Refinery, which promises to change all that. Dangote Refinery has positioned itself as not just a business, but as a patriotic project to break that cycle. By refining Nigerian oil on Nigerian soil, Nigeria can achieve energy sovereignty. This means steady supply and the potential for truly affordable fuel, and Nigeria can exclusively consume what it produces. But big changes bring big questions. Some worry that Dangote Refinery will become a monopoly, but the same was said about Dangote cement when it first came into the Nigerian market. Being the first doesn't mean being the only one. Dangote cement demonstrated that large-scale local production doesn't stifle competition, instead it validates the market. Other cement companies like Bua and Lafarge also expanded aggressively at that time and competition grew. And Nigeria moved on from being a cement importer and transformed into a self-sufficient producer of cement. However, a crucial lesson from cement is that high consumer prices aren't always due to producer pricing. The real inflation often happens down the supply chain with the marketers, distributors, and retailers who add layers of margin, or what is known as the last mile inflation. This last mile inflation is a key reason why affordability remains a challenge even with local production. The current tensions with unions like NUPENG and associations like NATO are growing pains. Their fears are valid. Transport owners and workers risk disruption to their livelihood as the refinery builds its own efficient logistics arm. But this tension between Dangote Refinery and NUPENG and NATO allows Nigeria and the Nigerian government to make a choice. Should Nigeria protect existing jobs in an inefficient system or prioritize a new system that offers greater good for the 250 million Nigerians who desperately need adequate supply of affordable oil? The current system of middlemen has failed the majority of Nigerians. It has led to artificial scarcity and inflated costs. The new model of vertical integration promises radical efficiency, reliability, and lower prices. The ultimate question that Nigerians and the government should ask is this: is the loss of livelihood for the middlemen who benefit from fuel scarcity in Nigeria a necessary sacrifice for the benefit of the 250 million people in Nigeria? The pain of this transition is real and must be met with empathy, retraining, and support. But protecting a few jobs in a broken system cannot perpetually outweigh the benefit of affordable energy for all. The promise of fuel sovereignty, no more queues, and no more import dependence is a goal worthy of this challenge. This is how we build a self sufficient Nigeria that works for the many, not just for the few.